Chief Minister Yumnam Khemchand interacted with several renowned artists of Manipur and appealed them to disseminate the message of peace and harmony among various communities in the state through art. In the meeting, which was held at the Chief Minister's bungalow at the Babupara, Yumnam Khemchand stated that the crisis in the state, which started between the two communities, has now turned into a conflict involving 3 communities. He added that the Meiteis must take on the role of a big brother and a big sister and take initiatives to bring an end to the crisis. While recalling an incident that happened during the crisis, Chief Minister Khemchand maintained that Henglep Emily, Ledzamang Haukip, extended support to save lives of 120 Meitei laborers in Churachandpur when conflict broke out. Chief Minister Khemchand added that it is unethical to blame an entire community for the wrongdoing of few individuals. He maintained that restoring trust and love among the different communities residing in the state requires bridging the barriers that had existed between them during the crisis. On the other hand, renowned Shumang Lila artist Saugrakpam Hemanta stated that it is important to revive the age-old relationships that existed among the different communities residing in the state. He added that the stage play title I Manipurini, meaning I am Manipuri, must be produced. The meeting was attended by Art and Culture Minister Khuraichum Lokan, Secretary Art and Culture Naurin Praveen, Advisor Media to Chief Minister Oinam Sunil Singh and artists among others.
Aduna soisida yo dilai gambia yati aiba pona ma khala lenari ni agi loina ba ki khalla big brother ki big sister ki role do ai koina lawa ai community ma plak phati de virus kungi ning ko khamba ya da sakhe labi de si sama ga kunji kungi plak ning tuna mi phata bala ani noi thumbi ge law ena sing labi la phone kilometer tar musala asana bi masam maduda maitei sama ga kun kalaiba kuki gi kano do ai phati ai wedding am desine
Manipur se akhoi me amtang pujan be di leiba kanglu kuthra manga se akhoi khudimak se Manipuri ni akhoi khudimak se Manipuri ni habi wakhal lon ga loina na akhoi kana karu khaido khajin to oi khoto gi to di lepa kan da akhoi nungsi sanana kumai harau to dana tongan wa lila to dana isai saktana tongan ba akhoi khudimak se Manipur gi damak ta khallaga Manipur ngam khai kanba haibase ngasi dagi di akhoi artist mayam singina akhoi na pangthok kadaba thabak singda suksoi sodam ki mami ta halagani haiba wakhal lon ji akhoi Honorable CM da thamjaram